Hi, this is Mind's Eye Math, and this is a game with power of 10 cards, which are just 10 frames. Two sets of 10 frames, 1 to 10, which you can make on your own or buy online. So the game that I'm going to show you today is basic, just your war game. So you would deal out all the cards to both players. Okay, so one person would have one person would have the other, and then you would both flip. Okay, and I would say 3, my partner would say 7, and so because they had more, they would take those. Because their number was higher, they would be able to take both cards and put it at the bottom of their deck, and then we just keep going in that way. So once again, 6 and 4, so this person would take the cards because they had the bigger number. Now in the scenario where, let's find the scenario where they flip over the same card. Let's see if okay. So let's say they did that. So let's say we had 2 5s. So in that scenario, typically with the regular war game, you would have to put 3 cards down and then flip the 4th card, and whoever had the bigger one got all the cards. So there aren't as many cards in this deck. So we're going to change that slightly and just put, so whenever there's a war with 2 of the same value of numbers, you're going to just put 1 card down and then flip the next card. And so once again, this person, because they have the bigger number, so they had 7, this had 3, so then they would take all the cards and put it under their deck. And the game ends when one person has all the cards. Yeah, and that's war. So that's another game that you can play with the cards. The other version of it, which is a bit more sophisticated, so once again, you would hand out all of them, which I should have just left them that way in 2 pairs, but I didn't, so anyways. All right, so this one, just the slight difference here is going to be that you're going to flip over 2 cards, okay, and add them. So with this, I'm going to move these with my mind, so they would physically show what they're moving, which would make a 10, and I'd be left with 4, so this is 14, and obviously this is 3, so this person would get to take all the cards. So this would be a much quicker game because you'd be picking up just more cards, okay? And you can decide how you want to do the war. So then you would flip over another 2, okay, and this person has 17, this person has 19, so now they would take all of these cards and put them in their deck. Okay, and then you just keep going that way. Okay, so have fun, and yeah, hopefully it goes well. Thanks for listening. Bye.